It's time for a party. Good morning, Betty. Help the squirrel build their car so they can get to the party. Brilliant. Drag each shape into the right place. Well done. Great job. Well done. You've earned your car badge.
Help Duggee mix the paint for the bunting. Duggee is painting some party bunting. Can you help match the right colours? Yellow, blue, red. Red, blue, yellow. Drag a colour onto the bunting. Drag another colour on top to make a new colour. Drag a colour onto the bunting. Yellow, marvellous. Blue, oh, beautiful. Red, marvellous. Now it's time to decorate. Drag the stickers to the bunting. Oh, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Brilliant. Brilliant. Play again with more shapes. Help Duggee mix the paint for the bunting. Can you help Duggee prepare the party food? Chef Duggee has been preparing a feast. Can you help Duggee set out the party food? Triangle, semicircle, triangle, semicircle, triangle. Find the food that continues the pattern and drag it to the plate. Semicircle. Scrumptious. Circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Find the food that continues the pattern and drag it to the plate. Circle. Scrumptious. Semicircle, circle, semicircle, circle, semicircle. Find the food that continues the pattern and drag it to the plate. Circle. Delicious! Well done! Can you help Duggee find the party balloons? Duggee is gathering balloons for the party. Can you help find the balloon shape Duggee is asking for? Oh, triangle. This triangle has 3 pointy corners. Circle. This circle is round. Oblong. This oblong has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. All the sides on this square are the same.